Hello guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Reverso Contacts app. You will click on settings. Here in this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about your Reverso translation. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache. Then you can go to Play Store. You will search about Reverso translation. If you find update here, then you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.